video.
Eat the water burger.
And Raising Cane's. And Raising Cane's.
Water burger.
We didn't get to try it out while we were in Texas, but it is okay.
But we'll get water burger.
Okay. It's so shaky. Hey guys, it's Maddie. It's kind of been like maybe an hour and 30 minutes since I last saw the camera. But I ate what I ate. Okay, but hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a video today where I do my makeup. In the car. Sorry if the camera shakes. We're in the car. I don't have a tripod or anything. But I have all my makeup stuff here. I'm doing eyeshadow too. I'm doing the full-blown makeup, which is really scary because I'm a mess whenever I do makeup normally. So we'll see what happens. So we're gonna start off with what I usually do. First, my eyebrows. So I'm using my brown pomade. Of course, Haley does her makeup in the car every day for school. I'm having such a hard time. It's okay, I can do it. If you tell yourself you can do it, then you can do it. My eyebrows look weird. You get the clicks, you know, you get that.
Yeah, so you say full face makeup. Car, what?
That makes no sense.
What? Full face makeup? In the car.
Watch out,
That hold her head. Let's see singing.
Is she?
Yeah.
I'm saying like she just was.
Maybe she's right. Cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not me. Is there Q-tips in here?
No.
This is the good ice. They gave you the good ice from Cane's.
Oh, the little thin ones?
Little ice balls.
Yeah.
The good ice. That's what I look like right now. They look really bad.
What was that you said?
A perfection.
Your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Isn't that what you said?
Yes.
Okay then.
A while ago. Yeah, they gotta be twins now. I can't take pictures on my front, like my actual iPhone camera. Well,
Why?
because it's weird. Yes. Precious. They so you. Everything you do.
What?
Huh? I'm singing the song.
Oh.
Okay, time for eyeshadow. I'm gonna zoom. So I'm using the
These things are pretty.
Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm gonna put musk in my crease a little bit. I'm gonna take Eden, Nest, and put that on top of musk. That's probably jerky.
I smell that too. I thought I smelled some kind of meat.
So I'm putting that orange color in there with that same brush.
It's such a pretty colors, man.
So now I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. And I'm going to take amber and bring it down a little bit, like underneath that color. Okay, so now I'm taking my big fluffy brush again so I can blend this out. So it's not harsh.
Haley is the really white girl, right?
Yes.
She's so pretty though. She looks like an angel.
Okay, next I'm taking the saffron and putting it in this part because it's dark. Okay, now I'm going to take that small blending brush and take blazing. Sorry.
Excuse you?
I'm going to take blazing and I'm going to blend that into my crease area part. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to incorporate something crazy because I'm bored with this look now. I'm going to put in amethyst.
Let me see.
Which is purple. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna do a glitter. I think I'm gonna use Twilight. It's like a foiled glitter type of thing. I'm gonna use my finger to do because it's just it applies better with your finger. But I'm putting that on the middle of my eye.
How they don't have rest stop in every 5 miles? Scared me.
Mama.
You scared me.
Why?
Because I'm like sitting here and all of a sudden my phone just rang.
How to spread my face.
Whoa!
34, Natchez Trace Parkway.
Nachos. 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 Nachos! Ah!
You're so weird.
I need to wake myself up because I'm sleepy.
In 900 feet, turn right on Natchez Trace Parkway.
Nachos Trace! I need coffee. Cafe. What?
Natchez Trace Parkway.
Natchez Trace Parkway. What was that? What was that?
It's just a water bottle.
Okay.
What do you keep thinking it is? Your purse?
No, it's loud.
No, it isn't.
Okay, because you're not sitting right there, right here, right? I
Turn
am.
right on Natchez Trace
Yeah.
Parkway.
My purse wouldn't be that loud, babe. So, no. Camera.
Continue straight for 14
Ah, I told you, camera.
Memphis.
I'm about to spray my face so it stays.
You're gonna give me a my asthma's gonna be like coming back soon. Oh my god.
Smells like alcohol.
It's worse than that.
They're so extra. Look, this red is.
I know. I hate it.
I have to pause doing my mascara. It's
Yeah.
getting everywhere. Where's your lipstick at?
No, I will take some to him on the way out there.
Oh my god, are you really? This is your city, Matt.
They named it after you.
That's right. Well, go faster if you're gonna get over the stupid lane. You stupid.
Okay.
We will be there around 2 hours and 45 minutes, roughly.
But this is the look. I'll show it up close in a second.
What are you doing?
I don't remember what to say.
What is wrong?
Don't laugh at me, please. Okay, I don't have any lashes on. And this look would look better with lashes, but I can't do that in the car. Like, that's just not gonna happen. Follow all my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah, that's it. It's cool like ET.